Hi everyone, this is Yashwant and I'm from Team Protagonist. We have taken up challenge number 4, that is the fetus. For this what we have done, we have come up with a solution which is a device that is portable and easy to carry, and also it is cost effective. Unlike the previous techniques, that is the ultrasound or the Doppler, which are imaging, which are heavy, like these are like really costly and require a lot of expertise. We are going by the old route, that is the bioelectricity. So using this technique, we estimate few parameters like placentile location, even if there is any separation of placenta, the heart rate of fetus as well as the mother. Even to gauge the hypertension, we measure the blood pressure of mother, and even like the fetal movements can be measured by our technique. So nowadays technologies have come up where pregnant women use some sort of support belts. So our idea is to directly inculcate these electrodes which pick up the signals, electric signals into the belt, and these are controlled by a microcontroller or a DSP processor, and this can be relayed as an output to an LCD unit, or it can be directly relayed to a mobile through an app, or it can be sent through an IoT platform to a doctor for telemedicine. So in order to estimate these parameters, we use few techniques. Like for placentile separation and location determination, we use a technique called as this is an existing technology, but it is not being used in this case, that is electronic impedance tomography. So here we gauge the voltage difference by applying low amplitude but high frequency signal, and for the rest, heart rate and blood pressure, we use ECG signal. So our product, for commercialization purpose, it is a very cost effective device. It just comes out to be $148, $149 product, and the best possible way to go on to the market is through NGOs and Anganwadis. It will be very helpful in rural areas. Even we can use mobile units like ambulances, and these can be like directly put on into the ambulance, and it can be used for measurement and health monitoring. So for the past 36 hours we have been working on a prototype. We have simulated different software as well as the circuits, and we have made the prototype. This is an ECG monitoring device, portable device, and this is a pulse monitoring device. This is the sensor, and this prototype, and this is the controller of the entire prototype. So this is our product. Thank you, and hope you like it. We are Team Protagonist. I am Yashwant, and the other two members are Suman and Vidyasagar. Thank you.